So here's an easy way to get the oxidation off your old luxury or sedan off using sandpaper, water, a little bit of masking tape, and finally topping it off with this Rust-Oleum clear gloss that you got to make sure that it bonds to plastic. Start out with some 300 to 400 grit sandpaper. We're going to do a wet sand. Just kind of go over it in a circular motion. You'll see some oxidation coming off. And then you're going to switch to a 2,000 to 4,000 grit just to get the scratch marks out. That higher grit will clean it up so there's no lines on it. And then over here, when we go to finish this up with the Rust-Oleum, this is the second coat I'm putting on. And since it's cold out, we're going to use the hairdryer to speed it up. And now maybe I can see at night when I'm driving, and it looks pretty darn good too. Hope you enjoy the video.